Adesem, Papa. I'm growing increasingly mad at Minta. Ade. Kuvi. Ye nyambotre kakra. Ede be poti na waye. She has started to flirt with Efo. She has started to flirt with Efo's family. How could you go to the extent of saving Lebanese child from being drowned? Nasa kwa siampani no. Me na nsuo fa me bokiti no. Mani amere wanya oba. Wa ba abedi di matem poto. Sa? Kuvi. De nyabotre. Mentazima wo kan die. Maybe she doesn't understand the situation. I will explain it to her. What? Mati. Siabotre pa. Why? Because kunanti waba. You. But what do you answer about that? Oko anu achi anama me so. You. Will you mind?
I have no problem, but...
But what?
Your father. He's a litigant, you know.
Look, my father has no problem with you. His only problem was with the Ewes. With those no more with us. That is a thing of the past.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Your father, dear, I don't trust him. I even learned he has a problem with Dodikro.
All these have got nothing to do with him. My father's only problem is that he does not kowtow to nonsense. And because of this, everybody calls him a bad man.
Okay, if you say so. Debbie.
Also, I am really impressed. You have not disgraced me. You have made good use of the money I gave you. God has really blessed you.
Mr. Boahe, it is true the Lord has blessed me and my family. But you have also been a blessing in my life. And I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
We don't know what to tell you again. You are everything to us. May God richly bless you.
You're welcome.
Oh, when you? Jawagwapa, bless you.
Panama.
Enyu. Esunowa. Lebe na lebe ni. Nga na me de ke ne kwalase wo. Fifia. De to be very nuke vaweji a one of me besu no ho. Me ga na me de ke ne kwalase no kwalase wo. Lebe ni. Inyaki amuchu no gogolo benga. Ebluto menyu, ebebeto menyu. Nka. Eva mi afme de kpona de lenye wa place no yedo mesiba.
Paulo.
And I was thinking, why don't you come in and invest in her company since now you're doing okay?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Mega na medekene blow ekple nyakimio. Na medeva blow nyakimi ala kpada ole esenyama.
Hawa, dada mafa. Akbagantona. Akbana mau.
Mega den me na medeko. Ko.
Mama me fa. Me jibe ma ba wo mo kekele mi abo.
Oh, let me come over back. Yeah.
Huh?
Where did you buy these vegetables?
From Amenyo. Why?
Give them to me. Give them to me. Never buy anything from her again.
What's the problem? Or do you have any special reason?
Just obey what I've told you. I'm taking them back to her.
Ish.
Look, woman, never sell anything of yours to my wife again. Huh?
Why?
Nepin!
I sell to anybody who comes and buy from me. Or are they not good?
Well, for your information, go, we are money, and I'm so many santini.
Sure.
Me no need chakabia. Chan want to be a mammy review. So what?
Please, come for your money. I can't take your money.
Who cares about bottom? Jama, who gets some about them? Sika one will you do Sakano, me magic. Maybe a chow fat. Any chance in your fat?
Oh.
Music Madame. Oh, I know damn how I get up.
Where's Zolo?
Oh, yeah. So how was market today?
Oh.
Okay, like I say,
And Yolo. For another joy. You must go.
now be shag bokon, be shag on a bankejo.
Butter.
You mean butter from this village?
Butter. His wife came to buy some items. And he returned them and asked me never to sell anything to her again.
You sold the vegetables to Butter's wife. Amenyo, is that what you're telling me? That you sold my vegetables? My vegetables to Butter's wife? Oh. Don't you ever don't repeat it. This should be the last time we are talking about this thing. Imagine no more. I come here, boy, my father brought you for you to cook for me and to give me children, not to ask me questions. This thing is up for discussion. Final. None of you are young. My Butter's wife. I don't know. Never I ain't said I am nonsense. Butter's wife. It will be over my dead body. It will be over my dead body to ever dream of loving you. You, Beleman and Ureki. Study Kabana and I do fiscus.
I told you one day came Magana. Kai, I win Zambali chicken cooning.
Let's catch him back in.
Don't ever think of that because it is highly impossible. It will be a taboo for my trap to marry from your trap. Alekia haram money.
Haram is a kenki.
Mezami the coup. Back at the Lafia hole. Dubashi.
I overheard what both of you were saying. And you are wrong.
Todd and later, one guy Magana the back understand. Donny Princess Ine. I come from a ruling class in my hometown. According to the history in the olden days, our town people who were until then a close alliance betrayed people from our hometown in terms of war. Because of this, our ancestors militated Talbu never to have anything to do with them. Don't you want Magana they bay in your bay in go bay is some haram money.
Haram is a kenki. Director, Sadia's tribe and town people feel too superior. How could you just drag my ancestors to war without explaining issues to them? Ajiminioni. Mira Muidoku. Sergeant! Ajiminioni princess. After them.
Let me make one thing clear to both of you. I hope you know my wife and I come from two different tribes. There is a strong hatred from each of our tribes. But upon everything, we still decided to marry. Sometimes we hate each other just because we are afraid of each other. We are afraid of each other just because we don't understand each other. We don't understand each other just because we feel we are always and always right. But when we start to intermarry from any tribe without an exception, all this suspicion will reduce. And listen, don't be part of an event that happened a long time before you were born. That's no good. Get to this.
Butter.
Minta.
Why did you say that I should not be in good terms with Samania?
Minta. It is not everything that I can explain to you. Just simply do as I have told you.
Mira, I cannot just do whatever you tell me to do. You have to give me some reasons. At least I must be convinced.
Minta, I said it is not everything that I can explain to you. I am your husband, and you must do whatever I deem right.
Butter, I have now realized you want to make me part of your litigation with the AGYA. But let me tell you, I'm not part of your family. You
are part of it. You are part of it. Courtesy of my marriage to you. Now that you are my wife, every decision my family makes.
Hey! Mine's who? Mine's who? Huh? Don't make me part of this. Don't make me part of this. That is what I talked to you about before I married you. Won't mean too much. Won't mean too much. I never came in Tasso. Huh? Never swat.
Stop crying and take her home, eh? She'll be all right. I'm coming soon. Hey. I'll enjoy the back of Nico. Hey. See, I'm going to walk it. Send them a room. I want you to come. Let's go. Let's go. Bury me. I mean, your bucket equal. Nipa be wood. The bucket is a nine.
Marry a chill cook. 3 hours. I'm going.
Oh,
Whoa, Dada. Okay. I'm going to look into it. Why she wait?
I'm your HID. A chillafi.
Cho! Amanyo. I finished Saturday. Can't you take of this small girl? At your age, can't you take of this small girl? How did it happen? How did it happen?
Be Minta, Bote's wife. We would have lost Afi.
What? You mean Bote's wife rescued my daughter?
Yes.
What? Oh, Amanyo, are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? Huh? How could you allow Boteswa to touch my child? Anya,
do you mean I should have stopped her from rescuing Afi?
Of course, exactly. Phil, that is what I mean. I prefer Afi to die in the river than to allow any member of Kukume's family to touch my daughter.
Lebene, Kwajidi, Magala Fuko Kumao. Menyanu Viava de Viala Chiama.
Ow. Dada Amaguno. Let me deal with the situation.
Mabena Kwajidi, Numakata Wanele, Susuna Kamalemo. Amanyo
want to respect me. Amanyo Manyabumo. Asomada, Asomanyabumo. I will not sit down for her to do that, no. I am an every man. I discipline my family. Now, Brutoli also Poga, Manu. How can let Anasati save my daughter? My opinion, if the Ashantis will sit down for the one to beat them all over the village, not me, not me. She has disgraced me. I don't come. Now the Ashantis will laugh at myself. Oh, what I say. Ashanti man says my daughter. Let me do her. Don't me bona. Gota. What's your wife? Hey. What do you want her for? She has gone to farm. Go. Don't want her to save my daughter again. There are a lot of children in this village you can save. Why do you want to worry me? Why do you want to save my daughter? Madoya, did I say that? If my daughter decides to drown, I don't want that, you know. I don't want to kill somebody. So I'll kill one her. Let her go and show me Tamabumo. Then I'm a brutal and Metabumo. One her. I'll take it very easily. My damage, my destroy, my discipline. Cause she take a certain man. Boy, Mama, go to the what at all should I tell Minta? So that she can understand me. Woman, when you are poor way, Nipamu last great way, or Pemi Fia big to Matem. Minta, over Baba to me. Minta! Bra! Haven't I warned you not to have anything doing with Efo and a stupid family?
What have I done wrong?
Don't annoy me! Don't annoy me! You've given that idiot the opportunity to come to my house and talk to me anyhow. Woman, anyway. Free fear be me free. I bet into my time. Say Saintra. Why did you save Lebanese child?
Look at you. Look at you. And what did I do wrong in rescuing her?
There's everything wrong with what you did. There is everything wrong with what you did. Look, since what the young new qua, what's Antony found Ben? We have nothing in common. Look, this is the last time I'm talking to you on this subject.
I could not allow the child die because of the litigation between your family and their family. That would have been ungodly. Momo come talk on your family.
You walk it away.
And soon didn't call.
Minta! Woman sua family, woman sua family. Papa. I'm growing increasingly mad at Minta. Ade. Kuvi. She has started to flirt with Efo. She has started to flirt with Efo's family. How could you go to the extent of saving Lebanese child from being drowned? Nasa kwa siampanyi no. Mi na nsuwa fa mi bokiti no. Mani amere wanya oba. Waba habedi di matem poto. Sa? Kuvi. De nyabotre. Mentazima wo kan die. Maybe she doesn't understand the situation. I
will explain it to her. What?
Mate.
Why? Because coconut waba. You. But what do you answer about that? You.
How did you allow that woman to serve your child? Shut up. Don't talk back when I am talking. Aminu, I brought you to this village. You have really disgraced me. Aminu, don't question whatever thing I ask you to do. SME.
What is really the problem between you and Openyi Kokume's family? Nakelejo.
Aminu, don't behave like my daughter and who ran away. I cannot explain everything to you. Seven.
Thank you for saving my child. But my sister, what is really the problem between your first family and Kokume's family?
Sister, only God knows. I can't understand them. Just say, me dream who am in Tiasi.
You're crying, Mr. Gomole.
Woman, they say, Mamma Bada, and actually, Mount Swan, Nana by Jum to say.
Hey, what are you doing here? Haven't I warned you never to talk to this woman again?
Butter, don't I have the right to do what I want? I have told you, I don't want to be part of your litigation. Yes, I'm crazy.
Let's go home. Now!
Take ladies, I will come.
Will you comply or not? Will you comply or not? Will you comply or not?
coming home? Huh? Huh? Come on, sit down. For now, no one was saying one abwa. A chinabium. Much months watch at church. This is your food. Eat. Aren't you eating? Huh? Who near the other? I mean, I would dear the show.